Hi and welcome to another support video from Instrument Choice. In this video we'll be unboxing the EL-USB-1. In the box you'll find a quick start guide as well as the data logger. The quick start guide details how to download, install and use the software, as well as how to replace the battery. The EL-USB-1 is a small design and it features a removable clip and a clear lid to protect the USB. Opening the case reveals the battery cavity with included battery. That's what's in the box for the EL-USB-1. Thanks for watching.